Hi there, welcome to the new video, and in this Qlik tutorial video we will going to look at how we can increase the font size of Qlik script. So here is a quick script that I have in front of you, and it can be any script like your own script, but the thing is you may want to increase the size, maybe because of the visual reason that you love to see the bigger font size, but unfortunately you don't have any font related settings over here, which I tried to search when I was trying to figure out how to increase. And one of the reasons why I am increasing is because some of the people have given me the feedback that in the tutorial video the scripting is having a low or the small font size and it's difficult to view it, or you have to really focus or give a lot of pressure on your eyes. So I thought of figuring it out, and yeah, I figured it out. So what you basically need to do is you need to right click and click on show dev tools. And I think it mainly because I'm on Windows and using Chrome. So once I click over there, you see that Chrome dev tools, right? So if you are on a different computer or your different browser, chances are that you may have a different option, which I'm not really sure, to be honest. But over here within the body, if you see, I have the font size property, right? So in this font size property, what I can do is I can change the font size to whatever font I want. So right now it was 13, but let's change it to 20. And let's go back to our script, and as you can see, the script is increased. Or if I want something like 25 maybe to increase it further, it is increased furthermore. So these are the properties that is available to us that we can change, like what is the font family. You can change that. You can change the font size. You can change the font color, whatever font color you want. Let's say I want 0000. I think that is black, complete black, so it will be changed accordingly, but that's okay. Earlier it was like 595959, so I'm good with that as well. So just wanted to show you the different settings which is available to us. Again, some more settings over here, but I do not want to change that. Over here, width, height, position, overflow, hidden, you can change these properties and play around with this, but for now I think I'm good where maybe I can probably add some spaces to clearly visualize this information. So this information is now properly here with me, which is an increased font size and looks much better. And over there, if you see, even these over here, wherever the font was there, it is increased. So this way you can increase your font size and sort this issue out. So that's about it in this video, and I will meet you in the new video with a new topic.